Hi, and in this video I will tell you how to feed cucumber seedlings at an early stage in order to get a rich harvest ahead of time. And for this, I feed my cucumber seedlings with an organic growth stimulant from fresh yeast. Now I will tell you and show you the recipe how to properly prepare and use this stimulant, and also tell you how it is useful for cucumbers at an early stage. And to prepare the concentrate, we will need a 1-pint container filled with warm water. You will also need 100 grams of fresh yeast and of course sugar. And at this stage of growth, we need only 10 grams of yeast to prepare the concentrate. Therefore, 100 grams of fresh yeast will be enough for us for a lot of top dressing, because this top dressing can be fed once every 7 days, up to planting seedlings in the open ground. And you also need to make one top dressing 7 days after disembarkation. For 1 pint of water, we also add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And mix until completely dissolved, put in a warm dark place for 2 hours. And I give you such proportions for a reason. Then we will need a 6-pint container in which we pour 5 pints of water and add 1 pint of this concentrate. And in general, you get 6 quarts of ready-made top dressing for cucumber seedlings. This top dressing for your seedlings is a growth stimulant. Due to the vital activity of yeast bacteria, the activity of microorganisms in the soil occurs. And at the same time, a large amount of carbon dioxide is released. And thus there is a rapid processing of organic matter in the soil, which in turn allows young seedlings that still have small roots to receive full nutrition in an accessible form for young seedlings. Therefore, it will quickly begin to build up the root system, as well as the green mass, which will lead to rapid growth of seedlings. And eventually you will get the first harvest much earlier. And top dressing is applied as follows. Be sure to water the seedlings before applying it so that the soil is moist, and then if your seedlings, like mine, grow in separate pots, then we water 50 milliliters under 1 sprout. This will be enough for rapid and active growth. And we do the first top dressing when cucumbers, in addition to 2 cotyledon leaves, will have at least 1 more real leaf. Here in such a small size, it means that the root system is already growing and you need to help it. The multiplicity of top dressing, as I have already said, is no more than once every 7 days. Feed the seedlings correctly, they will grow quickly and be healthy. And she will thank you with big and healthy harvests. And that's all I have. I wish you great harvests and a good day. See you in the new videos.